Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Now we are going to do this. Let's get started. Select the layer and press X to change the foreground color. Now hold Alt or Option and backspace. Select the text tool. Change the color. Ctrl T. Hold Alt or Option. Enter. I am choosing this font. Now come to the layer and double click and enable the gradient overlay. You can copy this code to use this color. Click here. So change the angle size to -3 and leave the other settings as it is. Select the layer and right click, convert it to rasterize type. Now Ctrl or Command J. Select the layer and Ctrl or Command T. Now hold Shift and drag it down. Now press Enter. Select the layer and convert it to a smart object. Blur. Now use motion blur. Change the angle to -90 degree and distance 960. Hit OK. Now select the layer, come to filter, noise and add noise. Use Gaussian noise. We are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I see you in next video.